So what can $350 a month get you as far as a place to stay in Cambodia? Let's take a look. All right, here's the building. You have to enter through the shop, the motorcycle shop. Here's the lobby. On-site dentist. Over here we have a masseuse. And even a tax person if you want it. For locals. Here's a little lounge area on the first ground floor. We got some fish. Yay! Not many, but a few fish. And the first of two pools that we have access to. This is the one they call the cold pool because it's mostly in the shade throughout the day. Beyond that, there's the weight room. Yes, an outdoor-ish weight room. It's covered. Access to a few essentials, though some of the equipment is no longer functioning like the cables, but otherwise for the price, this is not bad. And because they are owned and operated, the department is owned and operated by the same owner, we have access to the hotel straight through the corridor. Let's go take a look. Means we have access to all the cool amenities over here, especially their pool. But before you make it to the pool, fun little garden area here. Love the swing. Dining area and just kind of nice relaxing area. Bar. And the pool. Now this is the nice big size pool. This one's got a nice deep end as well. And then here is a little conference room you can rent out for fun activities. All right, here's our pool. Now let's go check out the other floors and the room that you get. All this, again, we're only paying $350 a month, US, in Cambodia. All right, so back from this lobby, you take the stairs up. And of course we have an apartment cat. Hello, kitty. This is the smoking area / lounge. Not just a sitting area. These are other apartments. But one of the nice things that this is free water, drinking water. So the water in Cambodia is not drinkable. But it's nice and filtered. And this apartment complex gives you free water. Anytime you want to fill up your bottles, bring them on over here. Now let's go up to our floor. All right. Let's take a look. And here's the apartment. We have Brody working. There's the kitchen. Nice big space. Couple burners. Living room space. There's a 2-bedroom setup. You see here, plenty of closet space. Hi, that's me. My desk space in the corner. Second bedroom. Big space again. Little man's got his set up. And not only that, we also have a couple of balconies. There's one with a cool view. Another one in our room. The bathroom's really cool. Look at the shower system. Rain showers in both bathrooms. All right, so that is the space. All right, and there you have it. This is our place. It's $350 US a month, and that's on a tourist visa. So if you come here, say on a business visa, which I hear is pretty easy to get, or any kind of long-term stay, and there's more places that are willing to work with you, you can get a house for really cheap, or even less. Brody found one for $250 a month, and with a pool. And that's a nice, really nice house. So again, this is just an example. I gave you a little walkthrough. I hope you enjoyed.